Traveling head type for a heavy workpiece. The integrated CNC control is specifically developed for automating the roll grinding process. It is written in a dialogue mode. The CNC chamber grinding system offers barrel contours of different characteristics. For example, sine curves, cosine curves, CVC curves, UPC curves. The shape of the roll can be measured when the roll is at a standstill or when it is turning. A measuring caliper can be fitted to measure rolls. At the same time, the computer records the data of roll profile to make reports from the monitor or printer. The wheel spindle is supported by combined hydrodynamic hydrostatic systems and floats on the bearings between running and complete stop. No wear can occur. The variable speed working spindle to drive roll-through chuck or universal joint or tumbler-type faceplate, thus assuring a smooth vibration-free running. The heavy weights roll easy to run with the starting gear. The spindle of tailstock can synchronize the rotating with the roller. Shifting of tailstock along the bed is motorized through rack and pinion. An airtight floating device is used to reduce friction in moving. It can even move the whole tailstock by hand. The bed is particularly sturdy. The arrangement of ribs in the inside gives the whole structure the utmost stiffness. The hydrostatic lubrication system lets the table float on the guideways to decrease friction. It can even move the whole table by hand so that no wear can occur. All of the axes are closed-loop controlled with a high-precision linear encoder. The guideways are protected by telescopic sheet covers. The magnetic and paper filter. This machine makes it easy to get a concentrated high-precision performance. The wheel dressing device is mounted on the tailstock to dress straight side wheel face by program. With raising cost for wages and material and increasing demands for efficiency and quality, the TH series roll grinder is easy to operate and maintain. With high operation reliability, it can provide an automatic grinding process for roll shop. The fully automated roll grinder with its economical advantage sets the trend of the future. Traveling head type for a heavy workpiece.